Point 4, problem number, was it 7? Yeah. And so this is, what is the coefficient of x to the 9th in 2 minus x to the 19th? And so normally we have x plus y, like, I don't know, to some exponent, like 2 or 3. Let's make it 2 in this case. And what we do is we go, well, we're going to take a coefficient of x and y. Well, in this case, we have some coefficient times x and y to some, power. But in this case, we actually have, instead of x and y, we have 2, and I'm going to put a comma in between so it's easier to see. We have 2 and negative x. So we're going to end up with some coefficient times 2 to some power times, excuse me, negative x to some power. And they want the coefficient, oh, well, yeah, we already know it's negative x to the 9th. And they say, what is the coefficient of x to the 9th? And you go, oh, it's a negative x. Don't worry. This is just negative 1 times x. You can think of this as x to the 9th, and then there's a negative 1. Same thing, so don't worry. And so this, according to the binomial theorem, is n over n minus r times r, right? Sorry, we haven't really established what n or what r is going to be, but we know what n is. It's 19, right? For those of you who can't see that, this is 2 minus x. Remember, our original problem is 2 minus x to the 19th. So our n is going to be 19, and our r is going to be, what is it, 9? It is 9, right? Binomial theorem states that it's n over r, or sorry, NCR times x to the n minus j. For those of you who don't know what this is, bear with me for a second. Y to the j. That's a j. That's the best j I can do. Sorry. So yeah. So here's our j, right? And j, really, I think r is just j, isn't it? I'm fairly sure it is. Yeah, this is r is j. Let me erase r and make r j, because that's confusing. So anyway, make sure I'm teaching you guys this right, because that would really be bad. So 9 is our j, right? And this is going to be, this number in this circle is just going to be 19 minus 9, right? Minus 9, right? And minus j, where j is, was it 9? Right? It is, right? Yeah. So this is going to be 10. And then we have to do 19 choose 9. So let's do 19 choose 9. Was it? Wait. Yeah. Okay. So let's do 19 choose 9 times x to the. What did I do? No. Times. Oh, okay. Well, we'll just do it this way. This is negative x to the 9th times 2 to the 10th. Right, and so 19 choose 9 is 19 factorial over 9 factorial, 10 factorial, which is, oh boy, this is a large number. 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 divided by, Jesus, this is a large number. Can I do this faster? 10 factorial, which is, what did I do? Crap. 92378. Let me just double check that math. Let me double check this really fast. Divided by 10 factorial, 9 factorial. I'm just double checking my math here. 92378, yeah. So we got the coefficient out here. It's 92378, right? And we know negative x to the ninth, right? And we know this quantity here is going to be negative x to the ninth. 2 to the 10, right? We're going to simplify that in a second. Right, so this is going to be negative this whole number times this whole number here. We're going to do that right now. 2 to the 10 times, oh, it's only 1,024. That's not a huge number. 92378. That is, I'm really in the dark here. Oh, a large number, which is equal to negative, sorry, so we get negative, remember from this here, 94595,072. So that's the x to the ninth. So this is your giant coefficient here. Right, is at the end?